Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create Reels blend feed in Instagram DMs. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, we need to open Instagram, and here as we are in the Instagram, we have our profile, but now we need to go and click on the messages in the bottom side of the screen in the middle. So here are all the people that you are chatting with. For example, you are sending them reels, they are sending the reels to you, etc. So to create a blend reel feed with the person, you should choose the chat where you want to create a blend reel feed. So for example, I will go with this chat. So to create a blend reel feed, you need to click on any reel that this guy sent to you. For example, in my case, this is this reel, as you can see. And now we need to simply scroll down once to the bottom. As you can see, the other reel is opened, and here in the bottom we will have here two options: send to chat and start a blend. So we need to simply click on the start a blend, and that is how basically we will start a blend reel feed with this guy. And actually that is it. That is how we can create Reels blend feed in Instagram DMs. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.